So the problem I'm going to be talking about today is why would miniature golf courses stay open during the week despite having slow days, and especially when the revenue doesn't seem to be able to cover the cost of running the golf course. The main idea that I thought for this problem was the fixed costs. And basically with fixed costs, they are the costs that must be paid regardless of how much output the business provides. Fixed costs for a golf course, despite the amount of customers they get, it would be the rent that the business has to pay in order to have the golf course set up. This doesn't change because the business is still occupying the space, and therefore they have to pay the rent regardless of how many customers. Another fixed cost that I thought would be the maintenance of the courses that the customers play on. The maintenance could be the electronics that are associated with the golf course, and so the reason why miniature golf courses stay open is to reduce the amount of money that they lose if they completely close the business down for the day. From an economist viewpoint, they would see this as minimizing the amount of money lost, and therefore if they keep the business open, they would still receive few customers, and the few customers would help with the fixed costs that they have to pay. So the revenue that they would receive from the little amount of customers would still be better than having no customers that day from closing down the store. Another similar example would be clothing stores. They would also stay open even on slow days, and especially when revenue is small, because they also have fixed costs. The fixed costs for clothing stores would be the rent for the building that they occupy and a possible electricity bill that they would have to pay in order to keep the store on. Despite having few customers coming through the store to purchase anything, the clothing store will also have to pay the tenant for rent.